On this episode of Cheaters, Mrs. Young calls Cheaters to find out why her husband comes home late, smelling like mothballs and soul food.
So, Shay, can you tell me why you decided to call Cheaters?
Because my boyfriend has been coming home super duper late at night, and he's always coming home smelling like mothballs and chitlins and turkey necks and hog moths, all that nasty stuff. But he's been coming home too dang on late at night.
Okay, so you suspect something's going on?
I think he's messing with somebody else.
Okay, that's good. So we're gonna get to the bottom of this.
While under surveillance, our investigator tracks Mr. Young and an unknown elderly in a parking lot of a local Whataburger.
We got footage of your husband and his nasty woman getting out the car. They're walking up in the house right now. Should be in there. So as we go in here, open the door, let's go to the kitchen.
I can't believe this. Let's get it.
Where is he at? Where is he at?
I don't know, kitchen. It's a nice kitchen.
Who are you?
No, who is you? Who the hell?
What the heck? What is right?
Why you in my man's house?
What?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, man, this ain't
We out here. What's up? We out here.
eating stuff right here.
We out here. Why you messing with this old lady?
Old lady.
Why you messing?
I'm not old.
She cooks for me.
She cooked.
I sure
Man,
cook, man.
you wonder why I gained these extra pounds? That's why. Because I'm making love to the soul food.
What?
It's just
So you saying that food is more important in your relationship?
It's more important than me.
Is it more important than her?
All I'm saying.
You want this old lady and her food?
I like the chili. That's all it is. It ain't even nothing sexual or nothing like that.
60 years
It's
old.
all about.
She's 60
Hey,
years old.
hey, hey.
Old
This ain't between me and you. I'm talking to my wife. All right?
Old lady.
Y'all got caught cheating. So how do you feel about this?
I feel so betrayed. I mean, he chose this old lady cooking her wine. Like, who does that? I can cook. I don't do them chitlins, but I can cook. It just hurts.
Well, you really, brother, you really ain't have to say it like
Yeah, but the truth is the truth, Mr. Young.
Okay, I understand. You're doing the job, and I'm gonna leave it at that. But I don't know what happened. It's just something. I guess it's just something about. Oh, they just know how to take care of it, man. And I know I'm not right, but it just I don't know. I don't understand it.
Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all on TV? I'm on TV? Oh, yeah, I left him alone. He loved me for my chitlins, and I just had to let him go. And then he talking about my face too hairy. I don't care about that. I need the real love. I'm tired. I'm tired. Y'all got me crying on TV. Oh, Lord, y'all got me crying on TV. But like I say, baby, I'm happy, and I'm by myself, and I'm gonna find me somebody that love me for me, not just my chitlins. Okay, baby. Y'all take it easy. Bye-bye.
And here we are with a Cheaters update. We found out that Mrs. and Mr. Young never got back together. Instead, Mr. Young went back with Ms. Jenkins. In this story, we found out that food was really greater than love. You can't stay away from them chitlins.